My name is Juan Vazquez and I am the service manager here at Oaklawn Toyota. The day I was hired was July 1st, 2013. I was really nervous that day, but excited to learn. My expectations were to hopefully be able to move up in the industry. I started off as a dispatcher. I believe I excel at making sure customers are being helped, making sure our drive is always clear to have customers pull in, and also making sure our staff has the right resources and tools to be able to do their job well. It means a lot to me to be working at Toyota. I've learned the product line pretty well and made some good relationship with customers and even friendships throughout my time here. One of the best days I've had working for Oaklawn Toyota was actually getting to go out and do some training and learning the new products and learning new features. That was really cool, and actually being able to test them out firsthand and drive the vehicles. That was pretty nice. The community of Oaklawn actually does mean a lot. I grew up here since I was 13. We moved over here. My parents have been here ever since. I went to high school, and I remember driving up and down 95th Street when I first got my license, looking at all the cars, and now never thought I'd be working here. I had a really proud moment helping out a customer. Came in with a noise and we were able to diagnose it properly. Actually figured out it was something that was covered under warranty, so the customer didn't have to pay for it, and he was very grateful. I believe customers expect to be able to come in, be greeted, taken care of right away, and that's something I try to strive for every day, to make sure customers are in and out and being handled properly. My wife is very proud of me. She's seen where I started and how hard I've worked to get to where I'm at now. If I left Oaklawn Toyota tomorrow, I would miss the staff here, also the customers, and like I said, I've had good relationship and built some friendships throughout my time here, so I definitely miss that. Working for Ronnie Colosimo has meant a lot. He's helped me out from personal to even work stuff, so he's been almost like a father figure here at Oaklawn Toyota for me.